Housing Act is facing a new hurdle after 22 senators led by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah took the battle to court seeking to quash it in its entirety. The senators and 7 human rights defenders have taken issue with a section of the new act that seeks to appoint the Commissioner General of the Kenya Revenue Authority as the collector of the affordable housing levy, with the senators terming it unconstitutional. Stephen Leto has more.
Senators have taken the housing levy battle to court, with 22 out of 67 senators seeking to quash the collection of the levy. The petitioners argue that the Commissioner General of the Kenya Revenue Authority cannot be the collector of the affordable housing levy, as his responsibilities are strictly restricted to the affairs of the authority. The senators say, quote, "The Commissioner General is not the KRA. It is the authority, not its Commissioner General, that under Section 5 of the KRA Act is given the mandate to collect and account for revenues in accordance with specified laws." Led by Busia Senator Okiya Omtatah, the legislators argue that the KRA Commissioner General thus cannot be the collector of the levy. Also sought by the petitioners is an order suspending Section 2(1) of the Affordable Housing Act 2024 to the extent that it appoints the Commissioner General of the KRA as the collector of the affordable housing levy, and Sections 4 and 5 of the Act, which impose the levy. The court papers read in part that the Honorable Court be pleased to issue a temporary order of prohibition prohibiting the respondents and the Government of Kenya in general or its agencies from continuing to implement or give effect in any way whatsoever or howsoever to Section 2(1) of the Affordable Housing Act 2024 to the extent that it appoints the Commissioner General of the KRA as the collector of the affordable housing levy, and Sections 4 and 5 of the Act, which impose the levy. The petitioners further say that money cannot be lawfully raised from the public before the Affordable Housing Fund is fully operational, adding that any collection of funds before that is a tantamount to taxing Kenyans outside the law. In a supporting affidavit, Senator Okiya Omtatah argues that the rule of law and constitutionalism are threatened by rogue laws and policy papers which the government has taken regarding the provision of housing in gross violation of the Constitution. Those sued in the matter are the National Assembly, the Senate, the Attorney General, the Ministry of Lands, the National Housing Corporation, Kenya Slum Upgrading, the Low Cost Housing and Infrastructure Fund, the Commissioner General and the Kenya Revenue Authority, the Commission on Revenue Allocation, Control of Budget, Attorney General, National Lands Commission and the Council of Governors. Justice Chacha Muita directed that the pleadings be served on the respondents immediately, as he is set to issue further directions on April 10th. Stephen